Well, there's the bike with the tenkara rod in the holder on the back. And we found a stream here somewhere, in the middle of nowhere almost. And we're out and gonna try to work it a little bit and see if we can get lucky in there with our tenkara rod. The current temperature is, it started out about 45. Right now we've hit about 49 to 50 degrees. There's a nice cool breeze, clouds on and off. The water through here is kind of a drainage ditch, so there's always water in it until they shut the ditch off. So let's see if we can find some fish that have been using this ditch to move back and forth between a body of water and another body of water. Let's get in there. So what we're using today is the Keiryu Rod Company's Enyo, or NU, INYO, I think it is. Yeah, it is a 12-foot 3 rod that's RFI is 7.5, and it's a fast action. I don't have any of that memorized, but I just read it right off the side of the rod. It has the information there on the side for you to see, right here below the name. Our little leader setup we have here currently working is a Perdigon size 16. This leader that it's on is topped out with 5X. And this up here is just our plain Jane Rio Dacron reel backing. I want to say it's 20 pound. Probably could get away with 15 pound on one of these shorter tenkara rods to use a lighter setup, that is. So we wrap our lily in through the leader top part there twice, slip it on down, and I start scoping her out, and we'll start working this really sweet looking run here. It's nice and milky water, plenty of color to it. We've had snow lately and temperatures hitting down into the freezing. Let's make sure our net, our string holding our net, isn't all wrapped up like it always is for traveling purpose. All right, so a 12-foot 3 rod, we're working about 12-foot 8 in line. Let's just get on in there. I swear that was something going on there. He just kind of came to an abrupt stop up there. I'm just nymphing this through here. No indicator. Just kind of getting it down there to the bottom, letting it bob along. Bob along. There's a fish. Oh, that's a beauty. Nice rainbow right there. Come here, little friend. Well, you're just being unruly. Morning. A pretty little rainbow. Maybe 12, 13 inches. Let's go ahead and let it get back. Later, friend. Alright, well, there's one in there. Let's see how many more we can find. And like I said, I'm just nymphing this with no indicator. Just casting it up there or flicking it up there and letting it go back down through the current and watching my line. There's another fish. Oh yeah, that's what we like to see right there. Oh, come out of that little tree. Beautiful. Are we already off? No. Where's my fly at, little buddy? Well, come on. Alright, we're off. That's like a 10-incher. Real pretty. Let's let it out of here. Later, friend. It's 2. Huh. This rod's working well for this little short piece of a creek. So this rod's topped out with about 13 inches of 5X. So that way we get down there and it's real nice and thin. And also that 5X gives it a great presentation because it just kind of lets it drop right out and get down there as fast as it can. The fish really can't see it that well in comparison to the thicker line that's further up on my leader. Let's see, we'll find another one. There we go, nice. Here we got a couple of idiots, it sounds like, coming up on dirt bikes. Oh, that's a nice one. Real pretty. Come on, get off my line. That's a real pretty rainbow though right there. Nice and buttery. Later, friend. I hate it when people go places they're not supposed to go with them dirt bikes. Like, it was calm, peaceful, and quiet down here. You're not supposed to be down here with them. Just mucking up my attitude is all they're doing. There's another nice little one. Probably 10 or 11 inches on this one. Made the mistake of giving him a little bit of room. Gonna have to get out from underneath that dang tree. I keep bringing my rod up into that tree. It ain't doing much for me. There's another beautiful rainbow. 10 or 11. Later, little friend. Amazing. Like 4 or 5 fish out of this one little spot here. There we go. Thought I was snagged for a second. Turns out, no. You were not snagged. That one's looking a little bit worse than the rest of these fish in here. Come on, Buck and Bronco, let go of it. Got it. Yeah, that fish has got some holes in it. It's not looking too sharp. Later, friend. Swam down there and went for rocks to hide in. Well, I wasn't sure if the camera was on there, but here we have our beautiful little fish we just caught. Like a 10 or 11 inch rainbow trout, feisty as ever. I'm gonna let it go. I just want to say thank you everybody for getting me to 3,000 subscribers. I hope we get to see a whole lot more subscribers coming up. Man, thank you guys, and each and every single one of you. Thank you. I don't know, they might be on my side. Nope, look at that. Oh, that was a nice one. I'm gonna try to work behind that rock. Woo. Look at that one. Beautiful little 5-inch rainbow right there. I knew if I got it just behind that rock, we'd definitely get something. That is a beaut right there. Look at that thing. Let's get it out of here. Or swim on out, son. Get out of here. There it goes. What a nice little fish. Working its way through all the little nooks and crannies in the rocks there. Another pretty little rainbow. Maybe 10, 8 or 9 maybe. Actually, now that I look at it, a little closer. Feisty as ever. Off the hook. And out of the net. There you go, little friend. Man, this has been fun fishing this little ditch. Catching a bunch of these little rainbows. But here's that wind picking up, and I really don't want to be in here when the wind picks up completely. Kind of like a little wind tunnel. And I think I can smell a skunk too. That's a fish. Look at that one. Oh yeah, nice rainbow. Trying to get it out of that stick pile. We're looking 17, 18 it looks like. What a fish. Oh man, what a behemoth. 12. Almost, oh my gosh, that's almost a 20-inch rainbow right there. Almost a 20-inch rainbow. I didn't think a fish like this could exist in here. Oh boy. I can see my birdie gone. Right there. Woo boy. This fish has got the gas. Oh yeah. It's got my line all wrapped up in its mouth to the point I can't get my hook out of it. Ah! You know what? We're hooked. Ow! We're hooked. Ow! I'll tell you what, man. I was not expecting this fish out of here. Not at all. That is a beaut. What a beast of a beautiful rainbow. Ooh, almost lost it there. Oh, oh man. What a lucky day. Got the NU, got this almost 20-inch rainbow here. Look at that thing. Beautiful fish. Man, I would say it's 17 and 18, but that's 19 almost inches. Later, friend. Oh boy. I can't believe that. Well, I've done been hooked by that fish and had a great time doing it. So here we are at the end of my day, where I say Thank you guys for watching, liking and subscribing, checking out all my content, watching my videos. And thank you everyone for getting me to 3,000 subscribers so far. Today we were using this Perdigon on the NU. It's a really great 12-foot 3 rod, perfect for this size of little creek. Man, what a day. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.